Morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you are keeping well. And the same case with me also. I pray that this coronavirus may end soon, come to an full stop, and we all of us may meet once more in the classes. So you also pray. I also pray for this cause. Now, English text, lesson 6. No further than Mandya. This lesson I have explained to you in the online class, and I asked you personally about your understanding what you have understood of this lesson. Now, in this lesson, the great moral that we should not irresponsibly, when our parents are not there, should not go out and enjoy with the friends. Now we have seen among three, one boy's parents had gone to Bombay and they decided a trip by themselves and to go. How the tragedy took place, and when there was no one to help, the villages has to come and help him. So for this cause, we should not take such a drastic step for our own purpose or to enjoy, isn't it? That is okay. Now, today I have read the hard words of what is that called? What to know. That you go through that video. Now, next coming into the this what is that called our grammar part, page number 77. You take it page number 77. Page number 77. What does that tells us that? Just see, working with the words you take out. You use the following in sentences of your own. Use a dictionary if you are not sure of the meaning. Now, cautioned. First, you take, today I am giving you the work because most of the parents they have complained to me telling that you are not making use of the time. Just morning, I called around 8 o'clock to one parent. That parent told me my child is not at home, went to play somewhere out. This is very sad to hear the part from you. You should early morning read some lessons, sit and read. So I am giving you the work here. Now, A, caution, B, dramatically, C, blunt, D, despondent, E, flag down, F, catch sight of, and G, poured. Now, these are the words which you have to see in your dictionary and find out the meanings. Understood? Now, for example, also you can make some sentences of it. I will make and send you in the PDF, but you also make sentences of it some. Now, first one is a caution. The first one, caution. The police inspector cautioned the motorist about the half-broken bridge. Now, caution means giving. You say whenever you travel on the road, it has written that eccherike or echera. It is written or alert, isn't it? That is means you have to be cautioned. Caution means now suppose it's the on the way, maybe while traveling to the hill stations, some of the places, if you go to the Ghats, Chikmagalur side, a lot of animals are there. So night they come out. Now night journey when you go, so everywhere it has written, so drive slowly, the animals are on the way. Drive slowly, animals are on the way. It is in the night always dangerous, because animals walk on the road, they find empty road and they want to walk very luxuriously, very freely without anyone. That is called caution. Meaning you have to find, then you write your own words. Second one is dramatically. Dramatically. Now, dramatically. Anita signed dramatically as the left of the hall after being scolded. Sighed means one kind of you do know, taking up your breath and leaving. Oh, what a nonsense, like that, no? So you see everything and do one sentence each. Two examples I have given you. Next, coming to the what is that? See if you can match this. If you can match this. How you will match this? Now A and B it is there. One place MP, ST, SEC, VIP, LTD limited, CO. So okay. Now first one write. First one it is matching. Yes, that you can, this you can write in your classwork book, no problem. In the classwork book you write MP, that is member of parliament, member of parliament. ST meant saint, SAINT, SAINT. Then SEC means second. Next, VIP, very important person. LTD, limited, LIMITED. CO, company. Now, once more, I will repeat it. You can match them and write in your classwork. MP, member of parliament. ST, saint, SAINT, SEC, second. VIP, very important person. LTD, limited, co-company. That's what, this is all you have to write in your classwork book. Now coming to the third one. Coming to the third one. Here are three well-known proverbs. To try to write in your own words what each one means. Proverbs means, you know, you have already learnt in class 4 also. You had. Now waste not, want not. Waste not, want not. Now answer is first one. I think I have to write and send for you. Waste not, want not. If one is not wasteful, one will not be needy. Now, what is there? Waste not, want not. Now, how much you want, that much only should take. You take and waste, it is actually not good character. Waste not, want not. If one is not wasteful, one will not be needy. If you are not wasting, that means you are, how much you need, that much you only have to take. Now another one. One good turn deserves another. One good turn deserves another. When people do something good will happen to them. Now whenever people do some good thing, so something will happen to them. Now third, see, two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one. Two heads are better than one. Two people may be able to solve a problem that one person couldn't. Understood now? Two heads were better than one. Two people may be able to solve a problem that one person could not. So this is the proverbs. You have to that I will just explain to you later on. I will send in the PDF. So after that, you can write it in your class workbook. Isn't it? For today, this much enough. Okay then, see you. Bye. Have a good time and good days. Thank you very much and God bless you.